Good morning and welcome back to my channel. For those of you, if this is the first time visiting, I would like to thank you for stopping by. And for my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you. Today, we're going to go ahead and put in stuff into the bed to start into the beds rather to start filling them. We're going to put in cardboard boxes. We're going to try to put in some logs and twigs and stuff like that, and finally some leaves that I'm going to rake up and pour in. And then tomorrow we are supposed to get our load of compost in the form of horse manure, and we're going to put that into the beds as well. So let's get started. Hello, it's the day after, and what you just saw me doing was filling my raised beds with leaves and twigs and sticks. About halfway full here on the circular one. This, and then on top of that, I'm going to add some compost and then gardening soil on top. So all of the beds, with the exception of the rectangular one here, have been completely, I shouldn't say completely, are half full, and they've had the um, logs and twigs and leaves placed in them. And you can see here, the tall ones are done. So the next thing don't want to fall. The next thing to do is to start putting in the compost. The compost came today, and I'm going to show you that. Okay, here we go. Here's the compost. It is, I found it on Facebook Marketplace, and it's made out of horse manure, guaranteed not to burn. It's been, it's not hot, so it's good to go. And probably tomorrow, I'm going to start loading the beds with it. So then we'll be finished filling the beds, hopefully tomorrow. And then the next part of this project will be the drip irrigation system itself. As you can see, the compost in the form of horse manure has been delivered, and it is in the beds. So all that I have to do, I may put more in some of the beds, but all I have to do now is to put down the topsoil or the gardening soil in each bed, and we will actually be ready to plant, but I'm not going to plant anything until I get the drip irrigation system in, and there'll be a separate video for that. But the compost looks nice and rich and healthy, and I'm glad I was able to find it. The only bad side or downside to having tall beds like this is the cost of filling them up. So what I did was use the Hugelkultur method of doing it, and that's basically what you saw me do. Put down cardboard. Cardboard, when it breaks down, will help attract earthworms. Use logs and limbs and leaves that will help with the compost and break down. And over time, I will have a very rich mound of soil. Hugelkultur. So I want to thank you for coming along while we did step 2 of my raised bed journey, filling it. And step 3 will be the actual irrigation or drip irrigation system being installed. Um, I hope you got something out of the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like and the notification all bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.